everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, make 3 sections out of it. Now attach the bow to the front one. Now attach it on the sides and start braiding your hairs with the help of a bow as shown in the video. Nicely and gently roll it and it's all done. For the next one, take the front section of your hairs and braid it nicely and pull it inside out as shown in the video nicely and gently with the help of your hands. It's done. For next one, make 4 sections out of your hairs and repeat the process as shown in the video. Now make a bun out of it and accessorize it. It's done. For the next one in the video, make a half ponytail and then braid the ponytail nicely. Now take the remaining hairs, make 2 parts out of it, braid it, and it's all done. It's cute, right? For the next one, for that you need a clip and then attach the clip on the front and start braiding your hairs and attach the clips to it and then start again braiding and with the clip. Now do the whole process till the bottom and it's done. Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, make the section of your hairs and braid it nicely and attach it with the rubber band. Now put the accessories on it and it's all done. For the next one, make the 5 sections out of your hairs, take the middle one and make it into 2 parts. Now repeat the whole process as shown in the video. Take the smaller section of your hairs and start tying it with the front section. Now complete it till the bottom as it will look like this. Repeat it and it's done. For the next one, make the sections out of your hairs from up to down as shown in the video and attach it to the front one. Now make the sections out of it and then make a bow like structure and it's done. Thanks for watching.